Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and as you can see, I hope that you can see that, I've applied the assistive grid, so the grid lines, before I've started the recording. It is because I would like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So now basically all we have to do is to simply enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and here let's tap on About. As you can see, on the third position we've got reset options, so let's tap, and here your device will ask you if you really want to do it. So let's confirm it. And as you can see, nothing happened, right? But when we will come back to the camera, you can see that actually we cannot see the grid lines, which means that all the customization, all the options have been reset to their defaults. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera preferences in your Motorola Edge 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.